This is the Samsung Galaxy A04, one of 3 devices that Samsung have recently launched in the Galaxy A04 range. They've launched the Galaxy A04e, which is the lowest end device, the mid-ranger, which is this guy, the Galaxy A04, as well as the Galaxy A04s, which is the top of the range in the A04 line. So I've already done a full review on the Galaxy A04s, so definitely check that out. And I've done an unboxing as well of the Galaxy A04e. I'll be doing a review of that phone as well as this guy here. So first of all, let's take a look at the box. If you look at this box and the box of the Galaxy A04e, everything is exactly the same. So first of all, we get this user manual, and then under the user manual, we get the device itself. The color that I have here is the black, and if you look at this device at the back and the front, you won't be able to tell the difference between this guy and the Galaxy A04e. We see that there's a dual camera setup as well as the flash, and not only that, but the color that we have is exactly the same. It is not textured, but it's polycarbonate and it has a slight glitter on it. Okay, so I'll switch on the device and put it to the side. And taking a look at inside the box, we've got a 15 watt charger in this guy. On the Galaxy A04e, we had a 7.8 watt charger. So this is a good sign. It means that this phone has fast charging. So that's a step up from the Galaxy A04e. We also get a USB-C cable as well as a SIM ejector tool. So this video was just a quick short unboxing. I'll be doing a full review on this device. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you want to see that video. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one.